Hey guys, Jeff Coulter here at Windsor Chrysler Superstore. Got some new specials for the month of March. Got a few pieces to show you. Come on with me, let's take a look. So here we have a 2021 Ram 2500 Cummins Limited. This is the big bad boy in the lot. It has under 12,000 kilometers, price to sell at 102,000, but this bad boy is loaded. Beautiful grille. We have cameras all the way around, sensors everywhere. We have beautiful rims on it. It still have chalk marks on the tires, so this guy's not been driven a whole lot. As I said, cameras everywhere. Also has the deployable bed step to help you get in. Power folding lift gate. It doesn't go up, but it does come down. Now I want to show you the interior, show you the accent stitching and everything else that this guy has. My favorite feature is as soon as you open up the door, deployable bed steps. It's just fantastic. If you come on over here and take a look, power seats, beautiful leather with accent stitching, 12-inch screen, sunroof, and even more. Come on inside, we'll take a look. Hey guys, so here we are, we're sitting inside it, and you can see the accent stitching is just gorgeous. Still has the tags on. The show barely had anybody in it. It has power folding mirrors. What's nice about these also is there's another button that you can actually control the exterior mirror and fold it in or adjust it to your liking as well. Power memory seats, power pedals, trailer brake control. This is a beautiful feature right here. So you got your rear view mirror, but you hit this and you have your camera and you can drive and it follows you around. It's fantastic, but if you don't like it, you can easily turn it off and go back to regular. My favorite feature on this whole vehicle though has got to be this 12-inch screen. It is just gorgeous. And as I said, this truck has a lot of features, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, a sunroof, but my favorite by far is this screen. It's a 12-inch screen. Take a look when I pop it into reverse. You take a look at the camera, 360 camera, you can see everything. Now take a look at this. When I put it on navigation, take a look at the size of the map. How can you possibly get lost? This thing is fantastic. But you know what I love the most about this vehicle is the sound it makes when you start it up. Come on outside, let's take a look. And as I said, I love the sound of this big bad boy when it starts up. Let's take a listen. I love it when it purrs. Now this is a great price and it's a great vehicle, but we're gonna make it even better. For the month of March, one of the specials we have here is all our used DTs. You can qualify for 4.99% financing. Again, it's as long as you qualify for that, but you can get as low as that. Plus, you're also going to receive what's the 421S. It's a service package. So you're going to get 4 synthetic oil changes and 4 tire rotations. It's a great value for a great vehicle. Come on down and see me, Jeff Coulter, Windsor Chrysler Superstore.